Alright, so this is a Tesla Model 3 charger lock for a J1772 adapter. This was not sent to me. I bought this with my own money because I think it's pretty amazing. This lock will only work with the Tesla Model 3 and Model Y. It will not work with the higher end Tesla Model S or X, just so you know. You get 2 of the locks in this little package when you order it from Amazon. You get a little instruction card, connect your adapter to the J1772 plug, slip the Tesla charger lock over the adapter with the lock box facing outward, fit the box over the closed and locked lever, insert into your vehicle and begin charging, lock the vehicle and walk away, or allow it to auto lock. That's kind of how it'll look on your adapter. Once locked, the handle cannot be removed unless the charging port is unlocked. To remove, unlock the charging port, remove the charging handle adapter, and lock and slide off the lock ring. Remember to take your adapter. This is all that it is here. Tesla does not make these. These are made by another company, but it's essentially just a piece of plastic, really, that stops the lock from coming undone, and it's truly ingenious. So I got 2 of these in this package. We're gonna go try one of them out and we'll show you what it looks like. So the little card here kind of shows you everything that you need to know. When you put this into your Tesla, you just have your lock here and slide it over so that it protects the clip. Then you're able to plug in the charger and they cannot unplug it.